Number detailed explanation of 25 psychology theories. Number psychoanalytic and psychodynamic theories. 1. Psychoanalytic theory. Sigmund Freud. Human behavior is driven by unconscious desires and childhood experiences. Personality is shaped by conflicts between the id, instincts, ego, reality, and superego morals. 2. Psychosexual development theory. Sigmund Freud. Children pass through stages: oral, anal, phallic, latency, genital fixation in any stage can influence
Greetings, small
adult
one.
Wow,
personality.
you're so
3.
tall.
It is a matter of
Psychosocial
perspective.
development theory. Erik Erikson. Human development occurs in 8 life stages. Each stage involves a conflict like trust versus mistrust that shapes personality. 4. Analytical psychology. Carl Jung introduced collective unconscious and archetypes, universal symbols, emphasized introversion and extraversion. 5. Individual psychology. Alfred Adler. Behavior is motivated by striving for superiority and overcoming feelings of inferiority. Number behavioral theories. 6. Behaviorism. John B. Watson. Behavior is learned through environmental interaction. Only observable behavior matters. 7. Classical conditioning. Ivan Pavlov. Learning occurs through association between stimuli. Bell plus food equals salivation. 8. Operant conditioning. B.F. Skinner. Behavior is shaped by reinforcement, reward, and punishment. 9. Drive reduction theory. Clark Hull. People act to reduce physical discomfort, hunger, thirst. 10. Contiguity theory. Edwin Guthrie. Learning occurs when stimulus and response occur together in time. Number cognitive theories. 11. Cognitive development theory. Jean Piaget. Children develop thinking skills through stages sensory motor to formal operational. 12. Information processing theory. The mind works like a computer. Input processing, memory, output. 13. Cognitive dissonance theory. Leon Festinger. Mental discomfort occurs when beliefs and actions conflict. 14. Attribution theory. Fritz Heider. People try to explain causes of behavior, internal versus external reasons. 15. Schema theory. The brain organizes information into mental frameworks called schemas. Number humanistic theories. R16. Hierarchy of needs. Abraham Maslow. Human needs follow levels: physiological safety, love, esteem, self-actualization. 17. Person-centered theory. Carl Rogers. People grow best in an environment of unconditional positive regard. 18. Self-determination theory. Edward Deci. Motivation comes from autonomy, competence, and relatedness. 19. Existential psychology focuses on free will, meaning, responsibility, and dealing with anxiety. 20. Self actualization theory. Humans strive to reach their full potential. Number social and personality theories. 21. Social learning theory. Albert Bandura. People learn by observing and imitating others. 22. Social identity theory. Henry Tajfel. Self-concept is based on group membership. 23. Theory of planned behavior. Isaac Eisen. Behavior depends on intention, attitude, norms, and perceived control. 24. Attachment theory. John Bowlby. Early attachment shapes adult relationships. 25. Big 5 Personality Theory. Personality has 5 traits: openness, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, neuroticism. 29. Temperament Theory. Biological traits influence behavior from earlier. Theo influenced D.